Alright, today we are going to use some shapes to create a superhero using Vectr. So I'm going to go down to more shapes and I'm going to pick this shape, click and drag it, and I'm going to change the color to a neutral. I want to do a red up in the top corner to get started. So if you're going to do a color, I recommend picking one for the top corner. If you want to do blue, red, green, whatever, you know what I'm saying, use that top corner or probably in the middle. So either top, middle, or bottom, or actually top and middle. Bottom is black. So, and now I'm going to double click on this shape and I'm going to bring this down by making it round. And now I'm going to change the color to, it's supposed to be red, that's why I want it to be red. And now I'm going to do a rounded rectangle. I'm going to do the rounded rectangle, and then I'm going to change it to the same color red. And I take the top corner. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to rotate it. I want it to be the same angle or close to being the same angle as that. And then I'm going to duplicate it. And then I'm going to rotate it slightly. So I'm going to take these two and I'm going to select them by holding the shift key. So shift key and select both of them. And then you're going to go and do the unite. And now these two are one. So I can take this, I can duplicate it, then I can flip it horizontal and then put it on the other side. I'm going to make this a little bit taller, then bring it back up, bring that down, make it more flat. Now I'm going to take one of these, I'm going to duplicate it and then bring it down. And I can rotate it some more. Then I'm going to right click and duplicate it. Then I'm going to flip it horizontal. I'll make this a little bit bigger. And do the same for this one, make it bigger. And now I'm going to come in here, rounded rectangle. I'm going to flip it, rotate it to where it's the same as. Then I'm going to add a flat circle. There's a big old feet there. Make that a little bit shorter. And then once you get it and you like it, you can hold the shift key, select both of these. Then unite them as one, duplicate it. Then you are going to flip it horizontal. And you can change the color to the one that you want if you want to do that. Should have did it before. And now I'm going to come up here and do the same thing for the top. I'm going to do some gloves. So I'm going to do.
You want to rotate it?
Then I'm going to do the same thing with the circle. Then I'm going to select these two, unite them as one. Then I'm going to rotate, get them in place. And then you need to get these legs straight. And now you can do the head. Come up here and do big old head, real big head. And then you need to get the color, your skin color you want. I always go to the oranges. And now I'm going to come up here. I'm going to double click on this right here to get the nose. And I'm going to take this one top and I'm going to drag it out. Make the top a little bit more flat than the bottom. And you can also bring it up and flip if you want to bring it up. That's cool. You can also duplicate this. Make it smaller. And you can add your ears. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to use either the pen tool or you can use a pencil tool. I'm going to use a pencil tool. I'm going to go ahead and draw the hair. Then come outside the ear. And I'm going to go ahead and change that color to and then I'm going to come up here and do it with mask. I'm going to use the rounded rectangle. Then I'm going to rotate. Then I'm going to duplicate it. Then I'm going to flip horizontal. You can add a circle. And you can do white, black, any color you want to. And now I'm going to finish it up by doing me a symbol for to put on the chest. And then you just need to add a logo or your name. Then I'm going to go click on the text. And this is all you gotta do. Just add your name to your work. Come over here. Give it a name. Save file. And then you're gonna do the export. I'd rather for it to be a JPEG or PNG. Make this a little bit bigger and then just hit download. Or you can right click and hit save as. And that's it.